Hi, my name's James Lester, and I'm here with my two Transformers, Bumblebee and Ratchet. I was going to take a video of them, and here they are. I got them together. Now let's start by Ratchet. Turning to this vehicle. Nice designs on it. Ratchet's design. All about Rainbow. And for front. Pretty cool. The other side. Top. The feet. And the bottom. Is a Transformer. This is a pretty cool one. And then Transformer. Transformer and get that out. That out. That arm out. There's the first arm. Other arm. He does the same thing. And that. For the rest. Yeah, we'll have to spread these apart like that and get out the feet. It's pretty hard to get out the feet. There we go. And the other one. I'm gonna get out the other one. There we go. Now, this part down. His face can move. Zoom it. That's how you do it. Turn the face around like that. And back up. There we go. And that's Ratchet. Next one is Bumblebee. There's Bumblebee. Nice designs on this. Camaro. Front. And nice back. Painting on the windows, so that. And painting on the windows. Black stripe right there. There's another black stripe right there. Orange around it, and another black stripe. Orange all. And there's the mirror, and there's black wheels. See the design on it. And nice design, black right there, and black and yellow, and the face. Light blue color. So orange. And then black. Right there. Green right there. Autobot label. And inside. There's the inside. Red heads right here. And pop out to transform it. I'm going to show how to transform it and get that out. That out. Make sure you get the feet out and spread them apart like that. Make sure you get this part up and get the head up. And make it higher. Now it'll transform. There he is. And the feet. And it can move. The feet can move. Move. His head on it. Yeah.